What to do, guys? I am back with a video. It's been God knows how long. It's been 5 months since I've been in the accident with Stormi. She got injured in August. The terrible story is the last video. You can check that out on YouTube, but quickly, Stormi 5 months ago got in a terrible accident. I got hit on my passenger side. The entire passenger side was screwed up. The door was screwed up. Her entire front tire was all turned in. It was terrible. They definitely had to replace all the arms, probably a couple of axles. This whole headlight had to get replaced. My front bumper had to get replaced. Parking sensors. It was a terrible, rough journey. I kid you not. It took literally 5 months. It was awful. I kept getting a bunch of, it was coming this month, it was coming next week, it was coming this week, coming next week. But it took literally forever. I thought I was gonna get it by the end of November. I was for certain I was gonna get it by the end of November. But there's 2 parking sensors that were literally on back order for flipping months. But we are back and better than ever. Obviously, I had to come back with some upgrades, and there's more upgrades coming soon. First things first, I came back with the LowGlow. Come on now. I had to come through with the LowGlow neon lights. Come on, I had to. It just completes the whole look that I'm trying to get at, you know what I'm trying to say? And honestly, the whole look that I get at, I didn't even really discuss with you guys what look I'm trying to go for Stormi. At first I said I was gonna make this thing like a fucking drift car. I don't even know what I told you guys at first, but honestly this car, I'm about to make this shit just the most Need for Speed looking car if possible. Just straight up just made this shit look like a fucking video game, honestly, bro. Just with the neon lights, the yellow colorway, the OEM. I'm never getting rid of this yellow OEM. It's beautiful. I feel like it just suits Stormi, just suits everything. But of course, you know, so the LowGlow, we got the mirror caps, the aggressive mirror caps. And we also got the version 2 Street Hunter wing. Oh, fuck! And lastly, also I had to install the F1 light. It is literally coming together exactly how I mastermind. You have no idea. There's so many more mods coming soon. And honestly, I couldn't have done any of these mods without Shoutout Designs. And I'm in the garage right now, so shout out Shoutout Designs, shout out Nigel. He's done everything to help me out possible to install this LowGlow, to install the mirror caps, to install the wing, to install the F1 light. Everything my man has touched. And I shout him out. Thank you for everything, bro. We are not done here with Stormi's mods. We are coming back. We have more mods on the way. Don't even get me started. I am so hyped. We have done 3-4 straight cosmetic things. Come on, I gotta go power mods now. So Stormi, we're about to get some real power mods, Stormi. I'm hyped. I don't know what's gonna happen yet. I don't know if it's next week, this week, the next week, the week after. I don't know, but it's definitely coming soon. And in between that time, I want this thing to get loud. You understand me? I want Stormi to be screaming down the street. Do you understand me? I want Stormi yelling, popping, gargling, banging. I want every sound come out of this B58. You have no idea. So power mods are definitely up next. So yeah, Stormi got some changes. We also did a little bit of changes to the channel. So we're no longer called Super Duper Sid. We're now called Sid the Kid, because realistically, Stormi's not the only thing gonna be shown on this channel. I'm gonna get more cars, we're gonna have more builds, and I do other things than just drive and whip and have fun with the whip, you know what I'm trying to say? I travel, I like to dress out, you know what I'm trying to say? I like shoes, I like to go out and have fun, you feel me? There's other things I like to do, so this channel is not just gonna be about the whip, it's gonna be about other cars that I have, other car adventures that I go on, travel adventures, you feel me? Just lifestyle vlog. So now we're called Sid the Kid, you feel me? This accident with Stormi, I haven't been just sitting on my ass. We've been doing things, you know what I'm trying to say? I'd be going to school. Right now I'm in my master's program, so right now I'm in school. I'd be going to work, and I'd be also having fun. Like I said, I'd be going out. So recently I also went to the Dolphins and Cowboys game. That was a very fun time. Saw the Dolphins whoop the Cowboys, you feel me? My boy Tyreek Hill went absolutely bonkers on that shit. But that was a fun ass game, you know what I'm trying to say? You can never not have a great time going to the Dolphins game. What else did I do? I also went down to Miami for one of my boys' events. You know, I had to whip down to Miami for a little bit. Had a great drive down the skyline, you know what I'm trying to say? See Miami skyline. I'm gonna get a lot more clips going down to Miami. I love going down to Miami because you can always see great cars on the way there. See Ferraris, see Porsches driving down. So it's always a great mob down in Miami. But one of my homies, he had an event down in Miami. He has a little promotion, a little hospitality company called ENTS. So he was promoting a little event down in Miami. So of course I had to pop out and support my boy. But yeah, y'all check it out, ENTS promotion. Check it out if you guys are ever in Miami and see some events, local events popping out. That's what we do around here. So we are now Sid the Kid, no longer Super Duper Sid. So y'all better stay along for the journey and There's gonna be a lot more vlogs and other things coming along. And we out. Peace.
Wait for that orange go, push a little bit harder. Now keep it tight, gentle power. Unwind that wheel and accelerate. Get nice and close to the wall. Down to the floor. Full throttle. Down my side. Release, reach, one turn in. Nice. Faster we go, the brakes we need. Remember, a little more pressure this side. Brakes right down. Wait for that orange go, and turn. Excellent job. Think of that. On a racetrack, with the banking and all that sound, just bouncing, echoing off that wall. Let's do it again. Around. Release, 3, 2, 1, turn. And strong race. Waiting for it. Nice wide turn around that green cone. Want to pass that blue Lambo?
Yeah.
Give me a moment. That driver can't see us.
No problem.
So just stay close, and I'll expedite this as quickly as possible. A little more power. Yeah, you can pick it up a little bit. Get nice and close.
Pass the cone.
I'll let you know when. Just wait for my signal. Pass him on the left. Nice and polite. Add power. Add more. And full throttle power. Now smooth turn it. Adding more, a little bit tighter. Up to that orange, adding more. Adding more. Nice, up down that straightaway. Adding more. A little bit of power and accelerate now as much as you can. Push harder.
The downshift is what I was wanting to hear.
Amazing, right?
Yes.
All right, now accelerate as much as you can.